Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. We have two items from Kunwu. Well, actually one has multiple things in it, but all of this stuff is available, and I will link it down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. If you have never checked out knives from Kunwu, they are amazing. If you have not watched my best of 2024 video, Kunwu I labeled as the best company, and that is the reason that I decided to work with them, for my own knife. I truly believe that. I believed that before I decided to work with them. The truth is that I had my pick between a lot of different companies, and I chose Kunwu because of the stuff that they made and their customer service, right? So they really have some incredible stuff, and I think that they truly are the best, overall knife company of 2024. But I have some new things from them to showcase, a knife number one that I've never handled, and something else here. So thanks so much to Kunwu. I'll link everything down in the description. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. First off, what do we have here? This little tiny package. Ooh, boy, we got some spicy clips. I've already been in here. I'm not trying to pretend this is an initial reaction or anything like that. But we have some beautiful, beautiful Damascus, or truthfully, they might be Mocha. I can't remember how they're listed on the website, but I'll get one out here so that you can take a look. If you didn't know, Kunwu knives are modular in terms of their clips. Look at that polish too. And we got some almost like red. Gosh, that's a hard color to get with titanium. But their clips are very modular, right? So if you have one pocket clip on one Kunwu knife, you can take it off and you can switch it out for a number of different clips, which Sergio has told me he plans to make more and more available individually on his site. Obviously, when we're working with materials like this, it's either titanium Damascus, I assume actually Mocha tie. But when you're working with materials like this, you're going to get a lot of variation, a lot of uniqueness. I actually requested one. He sent me multiple, so we'll do a giveaway. I requested one to attach to Excalibur, my own knife, so I could show you guys what it looks like. But this is obviously, Excalibur has seen a lot of pocket time. Really have been enjoying this. This is still available for pre-order and should ship shortly after Christmas. But I did replace the clip that I had on there with one of these really, really beautiful short Damascus clips. You'll have a couple different options on his website, but mine will come with its own Damascus clip. But if you want to spice it up with a different one, there's a short clip and a long clip. This is the short one, and you can see it actually does land just barely on that smooth portion right there. So I think it looks really, really good. Not everybody's going to like that, right? A lot of people just kind of want the all black look, and that's totally fine. But I really like having options for different pocket clips. And it'll look good, whether it's on the DLC version or, the stonewashed version. But definitely cool. And just wanted to show that to you guys. I will find a way to do a giveaway with these other Damascus clips. Obviously, I don't need 5 of them. I think that was probably Sergio's intention. So I know a lot of my viewing audience owns a Kunwu knife, so we'll find a way to make sure that these pocket clips all go to owners of Kunwu knives, whether it's my Excalibur or anything else that they offer. So anyways, what do we have for the actual knife? What is this called? This is called the Stiffy P. I have a feeling I know exactly what this is, but we have to open it to find out for sure. There's just no telling. It could be anything in here. Honestly, I know Sergio well enough that there's a chance that what's in here is not a knife at all. I'm kidding. It's definitely a knife, but he loves those. He loves those funny names. Yes, it is, right? Oh, there's the parts for the sheath there. We have a fixed blade from Kunwu. Look at this. Look at the size of this. I do like this personally. Immediately, right off the bat, when it comes to fixed blade knives that I will actually carry. Now, I have my own, as a design reviewer, I have a lot of love for just fixed blades that look cool. But when it comes down to fixed blades I will actually carry... Oh, did you do a shiny DLC on this? Hold on. Let's get all that oil off there. Yes, he did. Look at that. Perfect little EDC profile fixed blade. Stiffy P. I don't like that they had to put the name of it on the blade. I do like that this is Venatus 8. That's definitely a steel that I need to study. Of course, right? Of course, Kunwu is still utilized. Not that Venatus 8 is a brand new steel. It's just a steel we don't see very often. Of course, Kunwu is utilizing yet another uncommon steel, right? People like to point out, you know, the people who get really excited about this stuff are just like steel snobs, and there's not necessarily a purpose to using unorthodox or uncommon blade steels. And to those people, I would say, we know. We are plenty self-aware of this. You are not pulling the curtain back on anything. Welcome. Come on in. This club has been here for a bit. Not a club. I'm just saying. Yeah, it's not a new concept, right? I just like that Kunwu is willing to break the mold a little bit, and they're not confining themselves to 20 CV, Magna Cut, S35V. Like, it's fine. Those steels are great. S90V. We like those steels, but everybody's using those steels. It's fun to have something slightly different, even if we don't always notice the difference in terms of use. Anyways, back to the fixed blade itself. This is a really nice size for general EDC. I also really like the purple G10 here. That is a really nice touch. This has all been crowned, the blade stock. Love the shiny DLC on there. I wonder, I don't know, is Venatus a stainless steel? This is, if it's not apparent, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'm not actually reviewing this knife. I have to actually use it, carry it first to do that, which I think I actually will. I don't review a lot of fixed blades, but given that the sheath is so friendly, I think I might actually do that. I know that I'm the minority. What I want is to not have this part, and I want a pocket clip attached to the sheath, right? Ideally, for me, it would be a pocket clip mounted right here so that I could put the whole thing in my pocket and just have this sticking out. But because of how wide the sheath is, realistically, what I'll probably do is remove, this is just me. I know I'm weird. You fixed blade guys would just be like, why would you carry it like that? It's so stupid. I just want it in my pocket. So I would probably remove this part, right? Not carry it on my belt or anything like that. And then just put the entire knife with the sheath all the way inside my pocket, because that's just what I like. But yeah, the retention there on the sheath is great. Nice snap. Very easy to remove it with that little sort of, it looks like the trumpet, the end of a trumpet looks, right? I like that. It's very comfortable. And then the grip on this guy back here, choked back, it's kind of 3.5. Choked up, it's easily a 4-finger grip. This is a nice little EDC fixed blade. I like this. I would also venture to guess and hope there's a little spot for a lanyard there too, or you could run it through the see-through, almost like the Strider hardware, right? You could run it all the way through there if you wanted to, but probably better ergonomically to attach it back here. I would hope that this is an inexpensive thing, right? I wouldn't want this to be hyper expensive. Then again, I don't know personally until I study it for the review, because I will come back and review this. Venatus 8 might actually be a hyper expensive blade material, so I'm not sure. Cool though, definitely. That's going to be it for today's unboxing and first impressions. Fun stuff for sure. I'll find a way here in the near future to get these pocket clips to owners of Kunwu knives. I'll link Kunwu stuff down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.